Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to this has to be day number what? Day number 2. Yes, day number 2, week 4, spring 2025 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. So Madeline should be working on that. Seth, good. Madeline, you start your questions yet? Let me see. Okay, Seth. Okay, yeah. No, Madeline, you're not supposed to be doing that again. Don't redo. Do not redo that. Go to the second one I sent. Okay. Do you have any questions on when you reach on the second one? If you have any questions, let me know, Madeline, on how to do it. Seth, why did you get that wrong?
I don't know.
Do you need the chart?
I already had some of the chart written on my book.
Okay, then you shouldn't be getting that wrong. Okay. You should not be getting that wrong. So you have to be very careful when you're doing them. Gianna and Joel. Gianna and Joel, can you hear me? Gianna and Joel, can you all hear me? Uh-huh.
I put in the answer for one of the questions and now just show me. Oh, never mind. It just pop up.
Okay. Madeline, which one do you want?
I'm still on number 1.
You know what to do for that one?
No, sir.
Let me see.
Mom, you can go now.
Let me see. What's the question? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What's the question?
The question was 2/3 plus 1/12.
Okay, so remember for these ones, we have to do, say 2/3 plus
1/12.
plus 1/12. Okay, so you have to find the lowest common multiple of what? 3 and 12. What are multiples of 3? 3, 6, right? 9. What else? 12. And so on. What are multiples of 12?
12, 24,
24,
36,
36,
48,
48,
60.
and so on, right? So what is the lowest common multiple of 3 and 12?
12.
12, very good. So we say what times 3 gives us 12?
4.
Whatever we do to the bottom, we must do to the top as well.
This needs to be tape.
Yes, legacy.
Can you send the Roman numerals in the chat, please?
You didn't see it? Let me send it again. Look again and see. And then what times 12 is 12?
1.
1, very good.
I
Whatever we
see
do
it
to the
now.
bottom, we must do the top, right? So we say what? 2 times 4 is what? 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is what?
12.
12, very good. Plus 1 times 1 is?
1.
12 times 1 is?
12.
12, very good. So we have 8 over 12 plus 1 over 12, which gives us what? 8 over 12 plus 1 over 12. You have the same denominator, so we just need to add the numerators. So would that be?
9 over 12?
9 over 12, very good. It's because we just add the denominators. I mean, add the numerators.
I kind of never did this before. That's
Well,
why I got confused.
okay, do you understand this one? How I did it?
Yes, sir.
So you first have to find the LCM. Once you find the LCM, you have to ask yourself, what times this number gives you the LCM, all right? What times this number gives you the LCM? Whatever you do to the bottom, you must do to the top as well. And then you add them, then you get your answer. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. So go ahead and do the rest. I'm going to put this in the chat for you, just so you could have it as a reference. Okay. All right, let me erase all this stuff.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Mr. Bitty.
Good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, good. Okay, so let's go here. Do you see the quiz in the chat? I reposted it. Let me repost it. For those who just arrived, you have to do the quiz that's inside the chat. All right. For those who just arrived, you have to do quiz inside the chat. Kylie, please turn your camera. Again, Kylie, please turn your camera. All right. I only see Madeline and Seth on the IXL. Legacy, why are you not on the IXL?
I am.
Did you log in? Did you sign in?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
It's on Legacy.
No, you are. Did you answer any question yet? Did you answer a question yet? Did you answer a question yet?
Oh, no, sir.
You still working on it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maya, you need to get 100 today. Okay. 100%. Understand me, Maya?
Yes, sir. I'm at 86 now.
Good. Joel and Gianna, what happened? Why y'all not on the quiz? Joel and Gianna? Where are they? Can't have them. Kylie. Where's Kylie?
We are on the quiz.
Y'all are not on. Because I don't see y'all on the.
Sir.
Did you answer a question yet?
Yes, sir.
No. You have to log in. You have to log in. You can't just be on it and doing the free trial. You have to log in. Kylie, are you home or are you with Trinity?
I'm home.
Okay. So what you have to do, Kylie, because you was in there yesterday, you have to log into IXL. So go on you on your laptop
Do
or
you see
tablet.
us now? Do you?
Gianna, don't interrupt me like that. Give me 1 moment. Let me speak to Kylie. I still don't see you. So Kylie, I'm gonna put your username and password in the chat. You have to go to ixl.com. You on your tablet or your laptop?
My tablet.
Okay, you have to go to ixl.com and you have to sign up, and then you could do the quiz. So where's Kylie? So go to ixl.com, type that in, and then sign up. I'm gonna give you your username and password right now. Where's her? All right, Kylie, can you say your username and password in the chat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need you to go on IXL and sign up, and then click on the link that's in the chat, inside the chat, for you to start the quiz. So go to IXL, sign in, and then go inside the chat to complete the quiz. Where's Malin? Malin, can you hear me?
I'm here.
Malin,
Yes, sir.
have you started the quizzes yet?
No, sir. I'm going on it.
Okay. You need to turn on your camera as well, Malin. Legacy, why you haven't completed this question?
I just came
It's
from.
just very
I
hard
I
for me.
just came from sports practice.
No, not you. I mean Legacy, not Malin. Legacy.
It's just very hard. I'm trying to write down the Roman numerals out of my head right now.
Do you need the chart?
Yes, please.
Okay. Seth, what is your smart score?
82.
82. Okay. Let me put the chart in the quiz in the chart. All right, this is a chart for anyone who needs the chart with the Roman numerals. Okay.
Just keep consulting.
Mm-hmm.
I signed it.
Okay. Now that you already signed in, go to the quiz in the chat and
Yeah, but the job.
No, you're supposed to sign in the
yeah, you have to sign in first. All right. One second. Jasmine? Jasmine Rose. Jasmine Rose? Where's Jasmine?
So,
I must have sent you the wrong link. Just use the previous link. All right.
okay.
Can you send the link again, please?
Yes, I can. Okay. Legacy, you got your question right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Where is Kylie, have you started the quizzes yet? That's Kylie.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I see you. And Madeline, why did you get that question wrong?
I don't know.
What did you do? What did you do? Did you find the
I did.
LCM?
Yes, sir.
What was the question?
It was 40. I mean, not 40. 4/5 plus 5/10.
4/5 plus what? Plus
Is it-
what?
Oh, I got it wrong. It was minus, not plus.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay,
I did the plus instead of the minus.
Oh, I see a problem. Maya,
Yes, sir.
did you take a picture of your grade and send it to me?
I'm gonna send to you now.
You need to do that. Seth, what is your smart score?
92.
92, very good. And Gianna and Joel, what your smart score is?
55.
55, okay. Roscoe, where's Roscoe?
I am doing it right now.
Have you already signed in and everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I don't see you. Have you answered any question yet? I don't see you on the dashboard. Say it again.
Yes, sir. I did answer a question.
I don't see you. That means that you didn't sign in before you answer the question. You have to sign in. You can't just click on the link. You have to sign in. Otherwise, I won't see you. All right, so make sure to sign in. All right.
It's just showing me the Roman numerals question.
Okay, do you know your username and password?
Yes, sir.
Did you keep it from yesterday? Are you
Yes,
on your
sir.
laptop or your phone?
I am my dad's phone.
Okay. Come out of the quiz and go to the actual the problem is you're not signed up on the phone. So come out of that and go to ixl.com and sign in on the phone. Use the username and password I put inside the chat for you. You have to sign in first before you can answer questions. Otherwise,
I have 2 minutes to sign in on my laptop, please.
no problem.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
So what do I do when the numerator and the denominator are the same?
You just, the numerator and the denominator are the same?
Yes, sir.
What you mean?
Like the numerator is like the same number as the one
Give me
on
the
the other
question.
side.
Give me the question.
It's 3/4
Mhm.
plus 6/8.
So what is the same?
They're both 6/8.
You say 3/4 plus 6/8?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, I see. Because you multiply top and bottom by 2, 6/8. So it's going to be 6/8 plus 6/8, so it's going to be 12/8.
Oh.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Seth, you got 100. Excellent. Take a picture of it and send it to me, Seth. Take a picture of it and send it to me. All right. All right. Malin, what's your smart scores?
I'm still doing it.
What are your current smart scores?
Right now it's 10% because on my second question.
Isn't it 56?
Good afternoon, Mr. Petit.
Malin, is this smart score 56?
No, sir, not yet.
Why does it say 56? What question you're doing?
I'm on the first test you gave me. I'm on question 1 because I just signed on.
What it says? Roman numerals?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Are we still doing the same thing what we did yesterday?
Yes, you got to finish that quiz. I reposted it inside the chat for you.
Yes, I already have it.
Good.
Which one am I supposed to be on now?
Okay, the second one that you need to be on, I'm going to send it to you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Maya, which one are you working on now?
I was just gonna ask you, should I do the one that you sent in the chat, or is it the same thing?
I sent you it just now. Do that.
Yes, sir.
Adaya,
Yes, sir.
have you started your quiz?
Yes, sir.
I don't see you on the thing, on the dashboard. Did you sign in? Did you sign
It's
in?
in my smart. Yeah, I did. Yes, I did. It's in my smart 73.
Have you answered the question yet?
Yeah, so I can start it over.
You don't have to start it over. Just make sure you're signed in. If you're not signed in, it's not gonna work.
I am signed in. I can refresh the page.
Malin, where's Malin?
I'm right here.
I don't think you're doing the right thing, you know. What question you're on?
Question 10, I think.
What's the topic?
Roman numerals I, V, X, L, C, D, M.
Oh, A6?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what's taking you so long to answer that question?
Nothing.
Okay. Because you're still on 56. Legacy, do you need help?
No, sir, I'm getting along right now.
Getting along. And the things say that you
Yeah, I
and
know. I get a lot of questions wrong, but
yes.
I'm starting to get it right now.
Starting to get it right. Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
For the fractions, you have to find the lowest common multiple?
Yes, you can find those called multiple, or you could do the butterfly method, whatever one you know how to do.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, do you
Mhm.
see it?
Did you answer a question?
Yes, I already did answer a question.
No, I don't see you. What does it say a name? Do you see a name on the screen? On your
Yes,
thing?
sir.
Does it say a dial?
When I logged in, I re-logged in again, so and it put me back where I was. Back to the same.
What's your username and password?
Yes, show me my name too. My username is hold on.
It's not much, but yeah, I finished.
Take a picture of it and send it to me.
My username is Adaya Davis 167 and my password is flat19.
And yeah. But I don't see you on this. Let me send the quiz again to make sure you're on the right thing. Because I don't see you on this. See I even see Roscoe, but I don't see you. So make sure you're on that link, the same one I just sent in the chat.
Which one I'm supposed to be on now?
Yes, sir. It put me back on the same spot where I was.
Okay, answer a question, and then it should work. Okay. Seth, I'm gonna send you the next one.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr. Do you see my name now?
Yes, I do. Madeline, what number you on?
I think I'm on number 5. And I got it wrong.
Why is that?
I don't know. I've been putting it's the subtractions that I'm getting wrong.
Oh, be careful, because once you can't add it if it says subtract, you have to subtract it. Even though you find LCM and everything, you have to subtract it. All right.
So how do I
Subtract only the numerators. Do not subtract the denominator.
I do subtract the numerators.
Okay, this is what to do. When you have another question like that,
Excuse me, it said that I have reached my daily practice limit, so I have to become a member and pay money.
that's because you have not used your username and password, Malin. So you have to use it. You have to use the username and password I gave you, Malin. All right. Do you still have your username and password?
Yes, I do.
You have to sign in. What device you using? Did you switch devices?
Not yet. I'm on my phone.
Okay, so do you know how to sign in on your phone? You have to sign in on your phone.
Yes, sir.
Because you were doing the questions, but you wasn't signing in. All right.
Tonight, baby, I'll remind you, say, make a perky picky.
Madeline, you can't. Your mic is not muted.
My bad.
Adaya, what's your smart score?
My smart score is 82.
82. Roscoe, do you understand what you're doing?
Not
Yes, sir.
sure.
Okay. And Kylie, do you understand what you're doing? It's Kylie.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what you're doing, Kylie?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How about you, Roscoe? What's your smart score, Roscoe?
64.
64. Okay. Maya, do you understand what you're doing?
Uh,
So I see you getting a
fly
lot.
with
I
it.
see you getting a lot of them wrong. Say it again.
I'm doing it the butterfly way.
So why are you getting them wrong?
I'm doing them the right way, but I'm still getting them wrong.
No, you can't be doing them the right way and still getting them wrong. Something wrong with your method. So you can't make any mistakes. If you make any mistakes, then they're gonna mark it wrong. Do you need me to help you with them?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's what to do. Before you put in your answer, let me know what your answer is before you put it in. So work it out, and then whatever your answer is, don't put it in until you tell me. All right. Understand me? Maya, you
Yes, sir.
understand me? Okay, good. Tiana and Joel, do y'all understand what y'all doing? Tiana,
Yes, so we got our first medal.
that's good. Malin, what your smart score is? Malin, what is your smart score?
So far, it's 61 because I'm on my 21st question.
It's 61. Okay, good.
Here's a mistake.
Go ahead.
I got my answer, and it's a whole number.
What's your
It's
what's the question?
It's 1/2 plus 3/6.
Say it again.
It's 1/2 plus 3/6.
So 3/6. And what did you do? How did you get your answer?
I cross multiply.
Okay, and so what you end up with?
12/12.
12 over 12.
Yes, sir. Because 1 times 6 is 6, and 3 times 2 is 6.
Okay, I
And then
understand.
6 is 12. Then I multiply the two denominators. 2 times 6 is 12.
Mm-hmm.
12 is 12.
So your answer is 12 over 12.
And then after I simplified it,
What you get when you simplify it?
6/6.
6 over 6, which is 1. Right? So you could put 6
Yes,
over 6 or you could put 1.
sir.
Both are correct.
Yes, sir.
Um, uh, Madeline, before you put your answer in, let me know what you have, right? Before you put your answer in.
Yes, sir.
Kylie, what your smart score is? Where's Kylie?
Pardon me?
What is your smart score?
I'm not finished yet.
No, I know, but what is your smart score currently?
My smart score is 58.
Your smart score is
58.
58. Do you understand what you're doing, or you don't?
Stop.
I could barely hear you. You have to speak into the mic.
I understand.
You have to speak into the mic. I can't hear you.
I understand.
You sure? Because you're getting a lot wrong.
I put the wrong thing on
I can't hear
accident.
you. You have to speak into the mic. I can't hear you.
I put the wrong
I can't hear you.
I put the wrong thing on accident.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
It told me that I gone on the challenge soon.
Yes. That means you're almost done. So don't get anything wrong. Otherwise, your smart score will drop dramatically.
Yes. Put an emphasis on dramatically.
Roscoe, what your smart score is?
62.
62. You understand what you're doing, or are you confused? Because I see you just got that one wrong.
Yes, sir.
You understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. I can see your hand is raised. What's happening?
I'm understanding how the Roman numerals works now.
That's
I'm
good.
getting the questions right. So.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Malin? That's Malin.
I'm right.
Malin, what's the smart score?
64 right now.
C4. You understand what you're doing, or are you confused?
I understand it.
Okay. Roscoe, what happened? You're getting the questions wrong. What's happening? Roscoe? You sure you understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Able to get them right.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I got my answer for the question I was on.
What's the question?
The question is 1/2
Mm-hmm.
plus 8/12.
What's your LCM?
12.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second, Trinity. Trinity, you need to do the quiz that's inside the chat. Log into your iExcel and do the quiz that's inside the chat.
Yes, sir.
What's your LCM?
12.
Okay. What's your answer?
14/12.
That's correct. See how easy that is? Math is easy. Don't make it hard, Madeline.
The adding is easy. The only thing I don't get is the subtracting.
But if you could add, then all you have to do is just subtract, take away.
I did do that, but then I keep getting the wrong answers.
We'll see. Yeah. Maya, Maylin, Monroe,
Yes, sir.
what's your smart score?
It dropped a little bit, 54.
Dropped a little bit, okay. You still understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mr. Petit, I got a question wrong and I don't understand why.
What's the question?
Well, I was supposed to be answering how do you write 3,462 as a Roman numeral? And I put MMM for 3,000, CCCC for the 6 X's for the 6, and I for the 2. But it said it was wrong, so I was trying to figure out why. And then it said MMM, I put that, and it said CD for 400, but CD would mean 600.
No, that's not correct. DC is 600.
Oh, so it's the order you put it in?
Yes, because if you put D first, that's 500, and then you put C afterward, that's 600. But if you put CD, that means subtract 100 from 500. It's the same thing with IV. IV is 4. So that means subtract 1 from 5.
I say normal numbers are way easier.
Yeah. All right, so that's the reason.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes,
I got 100.
I noticed. Excellent job. Very
Thank you.
good. Take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Trinity, what's your smart score is?
64.
64. You understand what to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
You want the next one?
I have to join back. I go on by my school for a PTA meeting.
Yes, you can. Okay, no problem. Everybody is in the green. That's good. Nobody is in the red right now.
I'm not in the red?
No, you're not in the red. You're not in the red. I mean, you got something wrong, but that doesn't mean you're in the red. Means you get like three wrong back to back or something like that.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, you don't automatically become in the red after one question.
I dropped down.
Yes, I see that you dropped down to 60. Is Joel helping you, or are you just there doing nothing?
He's helping me.
Joel, are you helping, or y'all just doing it? Y'all not doing it together. Y'all doing it together.
Yes, sir.
So how come y'all just on 60? Y'all should be. Because because y'all should be on 100. It's too easy.
Mr. Petit, is there any weird thing I need to know? Like how if you put this D in front of the C, it makes it subtract?
Just continue doing the questions. If any weird thing come up, you'll see it. But so the practice is there for just to expose you to different ways they could put it.
Excuse me.
Mr. T, it's finished with the
You got
other
it? Okay, take a picture of your work and send it to me.
I already sent it to you.
You did? Good. Very good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petite.
Mhm.
I only got the question wrong because I forgot it to make it a 2 and I kept it a 1.
Be careful, they are very sneaky. All right. Maya, what's your smart scores?
74.
74. Okay, good. I sent you the next one, Jaden. I mean, Seth. Malin Monroe, what's your smart score is?
74.
74. And Roscoe, what's your smart score is? Roscoe, what's your smart score? Roscoe, can you hear me? What's your smart score?
What is it? Currently it's what? 63.
64. 64. What is it that you don't understand? I see you keep on getting them wrong.
Well, I was adding like more numbers than I posted.
Okay. Let me see. I need your smart score to be at least a 70. You have to get over the 60 hump. All right, Roscoe. Get over the 60. I've got you. Okay, I see you got the next one right. So try to get the next one, the other one right, so you get over the 60, okay? And you could go under the 70 zone. And eventually the 80, and then the 90, and then the 100. All right, Roscoe. Oh, yeah, right. Malin, what's your smart scores?
77, about to be 80.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petite. I don't know how I got this question wrong when my math was kind of correct.
Kind of correct? What do you mean by kind of correct?
Like, my math was correct, but I got the answer wrong by 1.
The computer is always right. So if you got it wrong, they're always right. So you did something that you did that was wrong. So you have to correct it on the next time around. Wyatt, where's Wyatt? Legacy, what are you stuck on?
Well, my question says, what does this Roman numeral represent? It's CLXI.
CLXI?
Yes, sir.
That's not difficult. What is a C?
I looked at it. I said C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, and I is 1. But it
Good.
has to be within 100 category, and that's not in 100 category.
What do you mean it say it has to be in 100 category?
Because C is 100, so I can't go over that.
So do 100 plus what? 50 plus 60 plus 1. What is that? 100 plus 50 plus 60 plus 1.
Oh.
So 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 1. That gives you what?
Um. 161.
Exactly. Trinity, what your smart score is?
81.
81, okay.
Mr. Petit, when C comes before D, that makes it 400, right?
When C comes before,
D.
yes. Kylie, what's your smart score is?
73.
73, okay. And Wyatt, where's Wyatt? Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt? Why? Oh, wow, his cameras. Wyatt, can you hear me? If you can hear me, type inside the chat, please. I need to know if you're here. I don't think his internet is working properly. Seth, what is his smart score?
79.
79, okay. And Maya, what's his smart score is?
79.
79, okay. Do you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roscoe, do you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
You are in the 70s now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try to make it to the 80s and then to the 90s and then to the 100, okay?
I got one question wrong. Now I'm back at 64.
Wow. Legacy, before you put your answer in, let me know what you're gonna put before you put it in.
Yes, sir.
Madeline, what your smart score is?
74.
74, okay. Trinity, what your smart score is?
80.
80. You understand what you're doing, Trinity?
Yes, sir.
Good. Kylie, what your smart score is?
74.
74, okay. Malin Monroe.
Yes, sir.
What's the smart score is?
73.
73. Good. And Kylie, what your smart score is on this?
It's 68 because I get one wrong.
Okay.
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead.
I have my answer MMM DCCC VI.
What's your what is the number?
2,766.
2000.
They said early birds catch it all.
766.
66.
I need to bring empty cereal box.
Yes, sir.
2766.
Yes, sir.
And what you have?
MM.
Uh-huh.
Three M's.
Why you have 3 M's?
No, I'm still,
I don't
no,
still
they want me to convert MMMDCCCLXVI.
Oh, say it again. You have to convert M. Uh-huh.
DCCC.
How many C's? How many C's?
3 C's.
Mm-hmm.
LXVI.
Convert that. So say it again. MMMDCCCLXVI.
Yes, sir.
What you have for this one?
2,766.
Why do you have 2000? How many M's do you see?
Oh, that's 3. Mistake.
Yeah, that's how you get them wrong.
So is that right? Other than the
What else you have? 3001.
766.
Wait, why you have 700? How many C's do you see?
3 C's.
So why you have 700?
Because the D says 5.
And how many C's do you have?
3.
So why is it 700?
Oh, that's 8.
Good.
And 66. L and X make 6, and VI is 6.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second. VI is what?
VI is 6.
So what your answer is altogether?
3,866.
Good. Yes, Trinity, you have a question?
I can't see the chat.
You can't see the chat?
Never mind.
Oh, okay, I see.
Mr. Petit, I finished.
Good. Adaya, what quiz are you on now?
I at my PTA meeting, mom just let me join and I can finish it off when I go home.
You could still do the quiz. You don't have to speak, but you could still do the quiz. Let me send you the next one. All right.
Yeah, I don't have my book with all the things inside of it.
No, it's not Roman numerals. It's not Roman numerals.
No, for me to sign in.
Oh, I can send it to you right now. Adaya. Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt? Oh my goodness. I'm not able to hear from Wyatt. All right, Adai, do you see a username and password?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. You also see the quiz I sent you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please do that.
I sent you my work,
You send me your work?
sir.
Okay, good. Let me see. Okay, Roscoe is 90. Kylie, what's happening with your stuff? Do you understand what to do?
Yes, sir, but every time I try to turn on my camera, it just turned off by itself.
No, I mean, I'm saying I see a smart score dropped.
Yes,
So
sir.
do
Cause
you
I
understand?
got the question wrong. Now I like really trying to get it higher, so I think in.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand. Um, Adaya. Seth. Seth, did you send me your score, your grade?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
How do you sign in on phone? It's not showing me.
You're gonna see when you go to IXL, you're gonna see 3 dots, like not dots, but 3 bars.
Lines.
Yeah. Then you're gonna see all the way to the bottom, it's gonna say sign in. Once you press that.
Yes, sir.
You see it?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Mr. Petit, I'm back at 60.
Oh boy. Didn't I say before you you mean you back at 70?
Pardon?
You mean you back at 70?
No, sir.
You want
I was
60?
at 70, but I'm at 60 now.
What happened? You got some wrong?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you got 2 wrong in a row. Mailin and Legacy, before y'all submit y'all stuff, please let me check them. Because y'all getting too much wrong.
Yes, sir.
Wyatt, can you hear me, Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
How come you wasn't answering me earlier? Are you doing the quiz or you just here doing nothing?
I doing the quiz.
What's your smart score? What's your smart score, Wyatt?
79.
79, okay. Legacy and Malin, Before y'all enter something, let me know, please, because y'all getting a lot of them wrong.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Petit.
Yes, Kylie,
I get higher now. I got 71.
I see that. Trinity, why are you getting lower? Trinity? That's Trinity. Say it again.
Certain answers I don't know.
Certain answers you don't know? What you mean?
I tried to I tried to write it out, but it still wasn't right.
Try to write out, sir. Do you need me to help you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, before you put your answers in, let me know what you are. Go ahead, Legacy.
The question was convert 628 to the Roman numeral. I put LX VII.
You said 628?
Yes, sir.
628 into the
Roman numeral.
Roman numeral?
I said LX VII.
You said LX
VII.
VIII.
Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna transfer to a new device.
All right, no problem, Malin. You said LX. So what happened to the 600? Oh, you just have, this is just 68.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Malin and Kylie, if there's something that you do not understand, Trinity, before y'all put your answers in, let me check them.
I changed my answer to CDVIII.
CD.
No.
Excuse me, Mr. D.
Yes.
I got my answer.
What is it?
MMMCLVIIIVII.
Say it again. VIII. What?
I.
How many I's you? How many? Say it again. CLL.
No, it's M.
Triple M.
CLVIIVII.
It's only, how many I's you have? 2 I's after the V?
I have 3 I's.
3 I's after the V. Then you have another V.
Yes, sir.
And then what you have after that?
3 I's.
And what number is supposed to be?
3,188.
3,188. So 3,000 is the M's, right?
Yes, sir.
188. Where you get the 100 from? The 100 from is from the C?
Yes, sir.
So where's the 88? Where you get the 80 from? So the L is 50, right?
Yes, sir.
So why didn't you just put, because you want 80, right?
Yes, sir.
So why don't you just put X, X, X?
X.
You know why I put X, X, X?
Because it's 10.
Yeah, X is 10. So don't use VI, VIII. Just use X, 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 right?
Yes, sir.
And then after that, it's what?
Mr. Petit.
Yes, Kylie?
Sorry, I can wait till you finish.
Yeah, wait till I finish. So it's 3,150, 30. What's the number?
3,188.
88. And what 8 is going to be? VIII.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So altogether, what is it going to be?
M. L.
No, C first, because you got to get the 100.
C
Uh-huh.
L
Uh-huh.
X X X
Uh-huh.
V I.
V-I-I-I, right? Because 3
Yes, sir.
I's. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go ahead and put that in.
Yes, sir.
Roscoe, you have to get over the hump. Malin, where's Malin?
I'm right here.
What's your smart score?
Sorry, I have to stand back in because I moved to a different device.
Okay,
Excuse me, 17.
go ahead.
I'm finished my answer.
You finish your answer?
Yes,
1
sir.
second. Let me send in sets work.
Pardon me, Mr. Petite.
Yes.
Uh,
1 second. 1
200.
second. Let me let me send Jalen to work first. Jalen. Not Jalen.
Yes, sir.
Seth. I'm gonna put your work inside the class, okay? Inside the chat. Good. Maya, have you finished your work yet?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Go ahead, Kylie. You have your question?
Yes, sir.
She's Miss.
I have my answer.
Go ahead.
3,623.
So what's the thing
It was M D C
How many M's?
3
Uh-huh.
D C
Mm-hmm.
X X I.
XXIII.
Yes, sir.
What you have?
3,623.
That's correct.
Listen, Mr. Baby.
Go ahead.
I don't understand this question.
1 second. Legacy, you have a question?
I got my answer for 628.
What is it?
CDXXVIII.
XXV.
I.
That's correct. Go ahead, Trinity.
I don't understand this question.
Okay, what it says?
It says, what number does this Roman numeral represent? It's MMCMXX.
Say it again.
I got it wrong, Mr. Petite.
It says, what number does this Roman numeral represent? MMCMXX.
MMC.
M. X.
XXX.
No, 2X.
Just 2X. So MMCMXX.
Yes, sir.
So the double M's are gonna be 2000, right?
Yes, sir.
CM means what? Subtract 100 from 1000, so that's gonna be 900. And then the 2 X's is 20. So 2920. That makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Good. Go ahead. Legacy, you say you got that wrong. Let me see what's the problem with that.
Excuse me, Mr. Boutique. You
Mhm.
said CD, and I think it was 628, and it's supposed to be DC, but she had CD.
CD. Yes, that's true. You're right. It's supposed to be DC, not CD. That's true.
I realized when I saw the
Yeah.
correction thing.
Yeah.
It was so sad.
Okay, that's learning. Malin,
Yes, sir.
what's the smart scores now?
Now it just went down, but it went back up. It's now at 68.
68, okay. Roscoe, what's your smart score?
81.
81, okay. Adaya, what the smart score is?
72.
72, okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Boutique.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, phone on 5 and the hotspot might go when a phone die.
Don't worry, our class soon over, so.
This is definitely the most
Go ahead,
expensive.
Kylie.
Yeah, so
I have
far.
my next one.
Oh no. Oh,
What
no.
is it?
3, 2, 1.
M M M C C C S S S D I.
Wait, I get barely hear you, so put your answer in and let's see if you got it right.
That's why I got it right.
Okay, good. Seth,
Yes, sir.
what happened?
I keep getting these things wrong because either I don't put like the dash or
Oh,
I
okay.
keep forgetting words.
Okay, so you have to make sure spell them properly, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Roscoe, what's your smart score is now?
85.
85. Uh-huh.
So I put in the answer because then I forget to tell you what my answer was. I forget to tell you what it was, but I get it right.
That's fine. That's no problem. That's no problem. Madeline, 83. Let's go. Maya, almost reached 90. That has to be long.
Bravo. Mr. Boutique, can you help me, please?
Nope.
What do you mean?
What's the question?
CCLVIII.
CCL.
Yes, so CCLVIII.
CCLV.
I.
I. So CCLVIII.
Yes, so.
Okay, no problem. So CCLVIII. That's the question right there, right?
Oh, wait, no, never mind. I got it. I thought it was something else.
You got it
I
right?
thought the L was D.
Okay. You look like you're scared of D.
But I've done it once, and I
Yes.
like it. So here's me putting all of my
I have my
training
next
into
answer.
one.
Go ahead and do it. I don't have to help you with everyone. Go ahead and do it.
Check me out. I get scared. Then we've got 2
I get it right.
squares.
Excellent.
I have my smart score is 82.
I see that. Trinity, how come your smart score is 87? How you get all the way up to 87, Trinity?
Because I work it up.
Very good. Did she cheat? Trinity, they say you cheating, man. What happened? Is that true?
That's what it feels like.
Cheating.
Okay. Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, what's your smart score is? Where's Roscoe? Roscoe, what is the smart score? I can't hear from Ross. City and Roscoe?
81.
81. Very good.
Miss T, I have to be right back.
Why?
I need to go use the restroom.
No, you only have 1 more minute left, so you could stay right down. You only be gonna leave right now. All right. What I want y'all to do?
I finally got 100.
Who's that?
My
Right in the nick of time. Right in the nick of time. This always happened to you. This happened to you yesterday as well. Okay, everyone put your smart score in the chat for me, please. Put your smart score in the chat. Put your smart score inside the chat, please. Everyone need to do that.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. May I go now after I put my smart score in the chat?
Put your smart score in the chat. I need this quiz to be done tonight. So I need all of those who have not gotten 100, make sure you get 100 because tomorrow we're not going over this quiz. All right, so make sure that you get it done. Even though we log us, because I have the lead. But make sure you get 100, yes?
I am so close to 90. I am 88.
Yes, you're very close. Once you get 100, take a picture of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. But you all have to get 100. It's 6 o'clock, but we have to leave. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Good night, Mr. Petit. Thank you for teaching our class.
I know, thank you for teaching my class, but you need to do your quiz. I don't want you not to do your quiz. Tomorrow, I need to see the quiz already done. So do that tonight, Legacy. All right?
Yes, sir. I'm probably going to have to do that tomorrow because I have a church event tonight.
You have a church event. Okay, good. Do that first thing tomorrow.